Good morning, bonjour. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is leçon 1, that is Voilà le frère et la sœur de Manuel. So first of all, open your books on page numéro 15, that is page number 15. So here we are on page number 15. So as you can tell from the picture that is given of a boy and a girl, we are in this chapter we are going to learn about body parts and the names of body parts. So take out your pencils in your hands and open page number 15 and write the word meanings as well. Here are some word meanings from the chapter that you have to write in your notebooks, and some more will be given to you in the PPT, and you have to do the work also from the PPT. So now you have to write the meanings in your book as well with the pencil. So leçon 1, voilà le frère et la sœur de Manuel. Voilà means here is. So here is, le frère means the brother, et means and, la sœur means the sister, de means of Manuel. So here is the brother and the sister of Manuel. This is the chapter. So the boy is the brother of Manuel and the girl is the sister of Manuel. So now we will read. Voilà un garçon et une fille. Here is a boy and a girl. Garçon is boy, fille is girl. Le garçon, il s'appelle Denis Lavigne. So the boy, his name is Denis Lavigne. C'est le frère de Manuel. He is the brother of Manuel. Il a 16 ans. He is 16 years old. Il est grand et fort. He is big and strong. Regardez les jambes de Denis. Look at or watch the jambes means legs. Look at the legs of Denis. Elles sont longues. They are long. Les bras de Denis sont aussi longs. Les bras means the arms. So the arms of Denis are also long. Aussi means also, long means long. Il parle anglais et français. So he speaks English and French. Anglais means English, français means French. Now to the next page. La fille s'appelle Catherine Lavigne. The girl's name is Catherine Lavigne. C'est la sœur de Manuel. She is the sister of Manuel. Elle est petite. She is small. Petite means small. Elle a les yeux bleus. She has the eyes blue. So she has blue eyes. Bleu means blue. Les yeux means eyes. Sa bouche est rouge. Sa bouche means her mouth. Sa means her. Bouche means mouth. Et rouge. Rouge is red. So her mouth is red. Elle a les cheveux longs et blonds. She has long and blonde hair. Les cheveux means the hair. Long means long and blond means blonde. So she has long and blonde hair. Elle est belle. Belle means pretty, beautiful. She is beautiful. Il habite dans une grande maison. They live in a grand house. Grand means huge or grand. Maison means house. So they live in a huge or grand house. Le frère et la sœur sont très proches. Proche means close, near. Très means very. So the brother and the sister are very close to each other. Ils se disputent rarement. Means they dispute or they fight very rarely. Rarement means rarely. Disputer is the verb which means to dispute, to fight. So here, so this boy, the picture of the boy given, this boy is Denis Lavigne. He is the brother of Manuel and he has very long, he is very strong and big. He has long arms and legs. This girl, she is Catherine Lavigne. She is the sister of Manuel. She is small and beautiful. She has hair that are long and blonde. They both live together. They have a huge, or they live in a huge or a very big house. They don't fight. They very rarely fight. So now let's look at the new words. Voilà means here is. Un garçon means a boy. A means an. Une fille means girl. Le frère means the brother. Grand means big for masculine. Fort means strong for masculine. Regarder means to watch or to look at. La jambe means the leg. Le bras means the arm. Aussi means also. Parler means to speak. Anglais means English. Français means French. La sœur, the sister. Petite, small for feminine, for females. Les yeux, the eyes for plural only. La bouche, the mouth. Les cheveux, the hair. And habiter is a verb which means to live. Now we will do the question answers on page number 16. That is the first one. Complétez avec un mot, des mots du texte. Which means we have to complete this fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the text, given in the chapter that we read right now. So the first one is La fille a les dash brun. The girl has the dash brown. So what can we write in here? It is plural. So we can write here, eyes. So the girl has brown eyes. So here will come La fille a les yeux bruns. Okay. Second one. Les dash de Denis sont longs. Les bras de Denis sont longs. Yes. Now third one. Il a les dash courts. Il means boy. So he has short hair. So we will write il a cheveux courts. Cheveux, hair. So he has short hair. We can write il a les cheveux courts. Les dash sont blanches. Les dash sont blanches. Les dents sont blanches. Fifth one. Les dash de Denis sont forts. Les jambes de Denis sont forts or les bras de Denis sont forts. Which means the arms of Denis are strong. Now, dites vrai ou faux, which means you have to write true or false. Vrai means true, faux means false. We already know this. First is le frère de Manuel est petit. So it is faux because it is given, the question is the brother of Manuel is small, but it is given that he is big. So it is faux. Second, les yeux de Catherine sont bleus. So it is true because it is given here elle a les yeux bleus. So she has blue eyes. So it is vrai. Third is les cheveux de Catherine sont blancs et bruns. Sont longs et bruns. So it is faux because her hair it is blonde. Elle a les cheveux longs et blonds. Fourth is il faut disputer avec son frère et sa sœur. This means one must fight with their brother or sister. So it is false. It is wrong. So it is faux. Fifth, il parle espagnol. So the boy speaks two languages. Yes. First is anglais, then français. So he does not speak Spanish. Espagnol means Spanish. So it is faux. Now these questions will be given in the PPT. So you have to do them from the PPT in your notebook. So that is all for today. You have to revise the chapter and you have to do all your homework in your notebook and learn these new words and the more new words in your PPT. Bonne journée.